In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Stripe webhooks for WordPress Stripe Checkout plugin. A webhook lets Stripe automatically notify your WordPress site when a payment event happens, such as a successful checkout or a failed charge. Setting it up takes just a few minutes and ensures your orders, subscriptions, and emails update right on time. We'll start inside WordPress to grab the webhook endpoint URL your plugin provides. If you are using WooCommerce with Stripe, open your dashboard and go to WooCommerce. Then Settings, then Payments, and choose Stripe. Click either Edit Account Keys or Settings. On that screen you'll see a webhook endpoint URL. Copy it. If you use WP Stripe Checkout, head to WP Stripe Checkout. Then Settings, then General to find the same field. For WP Forms, go to WP Forms, then Settings, then Payments, and look for the webhooks endpoint field. Using another Stripe-enabled plugin, check its Stripe, Settings, or Gateways area. You are looking for a full URL on your own domain that the plugin labels as the webhook endpoint. This URL is generated by the plugin, don't make one up. And be sure to copy the entire address exactly as shown. If it's missing, confirm the Stripe module is enabled and that your plugin is up to date. With that URL copied, switch to your Stripe dashboard. Open Developers, then Webhooks, and click Add Endpoint. In Endpoint URL, paste the URL you just copied from WordPress. Next, choose the events you want Stripe to send. For most standard checkout plugins, you must at least select Checkout Session. Completed so successful checkouts are recorded. Many plugins also expect charge, refunded, charge, failed, and invoice, payment succeeded. If you are unsure, consult the plugin's documentation and include the events it lists. You can search and select multiple events here. Adding only what your plugin needs helps avoid noise in your logs. When you are done selecting, click Add Endpoint to save. Also, make sure you are working in the correct Stripe mode test or live so the endpoint matches your current environment. Stripe will create the endpoint and show you a signing secret on that page. Click Reveal to see it. Then copy the key. It usually begins with WCC. Keep this secret secure, and don't paste API keys here, only the webhook signing secret belongs in this field. Return to your WordPress plugin settings and find the field labeled Webhook Secret or Signing Secret. Paste the key you copied from Stripe into that field, then save your changes in WordPress. If you ever rotate the secret in Stripe, remember to update it here as well. That's it. Your WordPress site can now receive live notifications from Stripe, helping your store, forms, and receipts stay perfectly in sync.